This pre-assembled module of XYZ axis and wires dramatically reduces the effort of assembly, allowing you to start carving your projects in less time. 3-month Carveco Maker subscription is included. Turning your ideas into the next fun project or your work of art will be much easier with Carveco Maker. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compared to Nema 17 motors that other CNC machines use, the Nema 23 motors of this are significantly more powerful and have more holding torque, allowing you to carve materials faster and deeper. For metals like aluminum, power is essential. All stepper motors are equipped with manual jog wheels, making it easy to adjust and position your spindle or stock material. Number 2. An all-aluminum body. Rigid C-beam structure. Leadscrew Driven, Y-axis dual screw drive, and Z-Axis Optical Axis Drive deliver more stability than the traditional V-slot drive. It's ideal for an endless variety of cutting, drilling, and carving operations on various materials including wood, MDF, plastics, foams, vinyl, and aluminum. Number 3. For a CNC machine, accuracy depends on how well it can follow its programmed paths. Many times when you need high accuracy for small parts, Genmitsu would be the go-to tool. It could offer high accuracy of 0.1 mm for precision milling operations. Number 4. The pre-assembled modules of wrapped wiring dramatically reduce the effort of assembly, allowing you to start carving your projects in less time. Number 5. Redesigned control box. Compact and simple design that integrates easily to access buttons for boot, emergency stop, motor speed control, unlocking, and pausing your machine. Control Box's easy cable management provides an organized solution that makes cleanup easy. Still based on high-performance open-source GRBL v11 software. Number 6. No additional parts required. Everything you need out of the box. No stripped-down kits or add-ons. The Genmitsu router already includes all of the accessories and components you need, including X, Y, Z-axis limit switches, emergency stop switches, speed control, Z-probe, and more. Number 7. Easy to upgrade. Although our standard spindle can already meet the requirements of most projects, the kit still comes with an additional spindle holder for broader use. Compatible with DeWalt DWP611, Genmitsu keeps providing more and more upgraded parts for expanding the machine's potential. Other upgraded parts or accessories such as dust shoes, aluminum spoil board are available now. Number 8. Laser available. If you are an experienced CNC engraving enthusiast looking for an upgrade, you can add this laser module kit to the Genmitsu machines. This module can give you different ways to unleash your creativity. Number 9. More power. New completely redesigned control box and drive system. Beefy C-beam frame, precision Nema 23 stepper motors, high power spindle, and included adapter for a drop-in dual DWP611 upgrade. Number 10. Built to suit your needs. The platform is just the beginning. If you are looking for an even larger machine, get the upgrade kit available in 2 additional sizes, 24 inches by 24 inches and up to 40 inches by 40 inches. Equip your machine with high-powered laser modules with up to 15 watts of true power output. Evolve with your CNC. Upgrade as you go, or start big and get to making more. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.